Workers doing maintenance on Lake Havasu City's London Bridge unearthed an inscription from when the bridge was first moved to Arizona from London more than 40 years ago. The inscription reads, quote, "Last stone set, 10/13/71, W. Miller, P. Deal." Lake Havasu City founder Robert McCullough bought the 200-year-old bridge from London in 1968 for about $2 million. It's a pretty good deal, I think, for a whole bridge. It's the London Bridge. Unless it was falling down, and then it's probably not worth that. Ha ha, he had it brought piece by piece to Havasu. No one knows.
understand. The tears are in your eyes. Come on and come to me now. Well, don't be ashamed to cry. Let me see you through. 'Cause I've seen the dark side too. When the night falls on you, you don't know what to do. Nothing you confess could make me love you less. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Woman, nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. So if you're mad, get mad. Don't hold it all inside. Come on and talk to me now. Hey, when you got to hide, I get angry too. But I'm alive like you. When you're standing at the crossroads and don't know which path to choose, let me come along. 'Cause even if you're wrong, I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. I won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me in into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. And when the night falls on you, baby, you're feeling all alone. You won't be on your own. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me in into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. Yeah, I'll stand by you, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. You're not alone. Take me in into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. I won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you.
Chrissy Hines!
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms
at these. Look at this structure right here. Look at these little rectangles. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Over here on this side, look at the little rectangles. Now, I'm going to go over and show you. See, you can see the water flowing over the dam right here, but let's go to the old 50. Wow, there's no water. Then there's a bridge across it. See, there's like a bridge, which is the water containment. And then there's no water flowing. But the new 50, you go from here to here, and look at the water flowing. Now, why?